Alright, so today what I have done is something actually pretty cool. I added the ability uh, to add tasks to the list they are supposed to go into. When, uh, I started work on sorting tasks by the day that you're doing them. And today I added the ability for you to add tasks to the list of a day. Let me demonstrate. So, if I do this, okay, and let me get the task. I have this. So let me do October 28th. October 28th priority sort 0, 0, 0, 0, and then on the day that is supposed to represent, and then on the day I will, yeah, okay, then never mind, that's all good. So, I think I could just do, yeah, it's gotta be on, right, of course. That. We now have a task in the list. And it doesn't actually move into the... Oh, no, it does. Never mind. Hang on. Okay, whatever. So it moves the task into the list, which I thought it didn't do earlier, but whatever. Yeah. And now let me show you how this works, which is equally as exciting. So, first, up on the task side, I have all of these. This stores the list this stores the names of all of the lists it is a part of. Well, I mean, I will get to the, I mean, I'll eventually make the part where it actually adds this stuff, but so how it works is is you get the index of the object you are trying to retrieve, and that index will be the position in the list. Then there are these 4 strings. That is because I couldn't figure out how to do a list inside of a list, so I settled on the next best thing, which is a string. This is what I mean by that. So you could have, like, all the positions in the list or you can have each character in the string be a separate position or be part of a separate list. And the reason there's 4 strings is so that you can store 4 digits worth of position, which means anything from position 0 to position 9,999 in something like the priority sort list for Wednesday the 13th. And then you could have another list be spot 2, and that could be like your the subtask, or or that could be like the position that it is inside of its parents' list of subtasks or something. Really doesn't matter at this point. That's all the stuff on that side. And then on here, this is an entirely new script called day data. First, it stores the name of the date, Then it stores the position that the task goes in for the date, which is this one. Then there is the list of tasks for the day, which is this. No, it's this. There is the list of. Oh, there's the list of lists, which could be like which could be like you have like list 1 be priority sort, list 2 be smart view, kind of. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I'm allowed to actually show this, but where is it? Oh yeah, it'd be like this. You'd have this kind of thing, and yeah, and then there is the list that has the order that the tasks are actually going to go in. So that's like this. This is the list of tasks that there is, and this is the order you will see. Why that is important is what the? Okay. Oh, is that what is that what summary is? Oh my god. Oh no, I didn't mean for that. Yeah. Anyways, actually I should probably just get rid of that. Anyways, yeah, and then we have, yeah, like, okay, what I mean is, like, you can have the list of tasks, and then you can change, like, the list thing. So, like, if you want to do top to bottom or bottom to top, the actual tasks won't change their order, mainly because that might ruin things, but the display will. Then there is the current list you are on, and then there's this bool which functions as a button, but like built into the script. You don't need to worry about that. And here is what it does. So there is this void that collects the tasks and then arranges the tasks. Collecting the tasks first is it does this. So for each game object, or for each game object task in every game object with the tag of task, if that task, or if the day that task is assigned to matches the day of this date, or if the day that task is assigned to matches this day, then if the day that task matches this day, and if that task doesn't, and if that task isn't already in this list, then it will add the task to the tasks for today. And then there is arrange tasks for each game object task in tasks for today. If, or this is just getting a reference to the task so that I don't have to do like task.tryGetComponent. That would just be a waste of space. If, sorry, that's my boyfriend. So then there are these strings here, or then there is this stuff here. The index of the index of this list in the task, meaning the position that it's like where this list is in the list name and the name of, or in the list of list names. I'm doing it this way so that I can have things like so that the task can store all of its data uh, about all the lists it's in and stuff, I guess. So it gets the it gets the index that is. So like you put in the name and then you get out the index, and then that index will match all of the index, and then that index will match these for that because they're all going to go in there at the same time. So it'd be like my date plus or my date underscore priority sort. Or sorry, October 28th underscore priority sort or whatever. And then you get these 4 strings, one for each of them. You get the position in the task, and then you get the substring of like zero for a single character, and that character changes based on which list. This is the reason that there is 4 strings instead of 1 string. Then you add all the strings together to make it go from like 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1,234. And then we can use that position to put it, and then we turn that position into an integer, and then we get the debug for that, just to confirm that that part is all working. Let me show you. Oh, dang it. Whatever. And then we insert the task into that position in the list. And then for every object in the display list, we put the task, or hang on, and then we move the tasks into the content based on the order they are in the list. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Yeah, no, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed that because I really enjoyed figuring out all of this. It was very fun. See you later.